I realized this is one thing that I learned, and you can lift it up if you want.
Yes.
So one of the things that I learned was, especially with recording, the moment you hit the record button and you say like, now you want to sit down and start recording, uta freeze. Uta freeze. So one of the tricks that I've learned is just hit play and don't even tell your guests that umeanza. You just like, let's continue having a conversation, because kichako ikikwambia you're recording, that's it. Unaanza kufikiria like hapa nimemess up, wacha turudie. No. So welcome, my friend.
Thank you so much.
I don't even know the name of this podcast yet. I just know that it's overdue. I was actually talking to my wife, I was telling her the way I bought this podcast set probably like 5 years ago.
Okay. Wow.
And I was feeling this thing of like, start a podcast. Well, to me delay, and then podcast like just blew up. So anyway, never too late. I feel like everybody has a story to share, and God's timing is the best. Sometimes we delay it.
Yes.
I think this is one of those things that I've delayed, but I knew he knew that this was the time that would start. So so let's start with introducing yourself. Who are you?
Yes.
Oh, my name is Francis. Let me introduce myself. My name is Francis King, and welcome to this podcast. We'll find a name for it.
Yes.
But if you don't mind introducing yourself to our guests, and continue the conversation.
Thank you so much, Mr. Francis. Francis is a very good friend of mine, and we've come a long way. But my name is KAMAU, and I live in Charlotte, me and my lovely wife, and we have a young one, 15-month-old. So her name is Zoe. We thank God, and it's a pleasure to be here. It's my first time to be here at Francis' new place. I'm happy for the work that he's doing, even expanding in business. So I really appreciate him for the God, and also for him for taking this step of faith. So I'm very proud of him, and I know he's very proud of himself. I look upon him in business as my mentor. So he teaches me a lot, he challenges me a lot, and even back, so I've been in IT for over 5 years. So at the time he was still doing nursing, and then he's challenging me with these IT things. I'm like, hey, I think he should be the one in IT.
The wrong profession.
Yeah, you're challenging me with the AI stuff. And even at the time, before you stepped fully into this business, I was like, you really have a passion for technology, helping people, branding. And I'm really excited. I'm proud to see what God has done in your life. And so maybe how do you feel now you're in this space as a business owner, and having this new place? Does it feel different from the way you're working at home?
Yes, definitely. I feel like I'm more productive. There's that sense of I'm going to people. I didn't get it until I was in that situation where people were like, everybody wants to work from home. I'm telling you, working from home is not easy. Working from home. So there's this thing of when people know that you work from home, there's this, there's this mindset of like you're really flexible, which you are, and you're not at the same time. And so you'll find that your circle of friends will start asking you for stuff because they know you're available. Hey, can you watch Nani for me? Yes. But in the middle of a meeting, I won't be able to do that for you. Or people know that you're more flexible. It's like, hey, can I schedule this appointment at this time? But I'm like, yes, I can go do it. And that's the good thing of like being flexible and working from home. But there's a level of discipline that needs to be there. Otherwise, you'll have these projects that you're doing in the middle of the night when people are sleeping and you're supposed to be sleeping, but because that's the only quiet time that you have to be able to finish your work. So I've realized like there is a conversation that needs to be, or people who work from home, maybe they can speak better on that situation. There's this thing of like, you're free. You go do this for us, or you go do this for us. And so you end up having like a backlog of work. But it's just been an amazing experience, like now coming to the office. Like you're literally like leaving home and coming to the office. And you don't appreciate that until you're working from home and you realize how important it is to leave home. Unless you have like a dedicated like office space. But the fact that you're home, sometimes it's so hard to be productive. That's my experience. And so this has just been really helpful, just leave home and come here. But also, I think it has, I feel like I'm now doing business. Before, like, yes, I've been running my business at home, but now I feel like I'm really now, like, put both of my feet in the deep sea. And it's exciting. It's also a step of faith and challenging. It comes with those challenges. There's a lot of things that I still need to set up. We're just talking about Google My Business. That's the first thing I tell people, my clients, to have. Because how are people going to find you online? I still haven't set that up. So you're going to help me do that.
Yeah, I will.